Good evening. On today's Beer 30 segment, I'm going to show you this little nifty tool that my buddy Aaron told me to get, and it's been wonderful. It's called a spot weld cutter. Look at this. It's like the little tiniest hole saw, but then the drill bit is spring loaded, so it doesn't actually drill the hole. It just pilots the little thing so it can cut the spot weld out. Let me demonstrate. Da 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 da. Do a little bit of this right there. Bada bing, bada boom. Just like that. Also, don't forget to get the stick lube. It keeps your chips from going everywhere and keeps your lube, keeps your bit lasting a lot longer. Giggity.